Imagine this. You're walking outside, maybe on a sidewalk, in a park, or even your backyard, and beneath your feet, there is an entire civilization. A world filled with workers, soldiers, queens. A world with structure, communication, agriculture, even war. This is the world of ants. The beginning of an empire. Every ant colony begins with one individual, a queen. During a specific time of year, something extraordinary happens. Thousands of winged ants rise into the sky. This event is known as the nuptial flight. In mid-air, queens mate with males, and once it's over, everything changes. The queen lands, and then does something shocking. She tears off her own wings, because she will never fly again. From this moment forward, her only mission is to build an empire. She finds a safe place underground, dark, isolated, silent, and begins laying her first eggs, alone. No workers, no protection, no food, just survival. The first generation. Weeks pass, and finally, the first ants are born. They are small and initially weak, but essential for the colony's survival. These are the first workers, immediately beginning their crucial duties. Their tasks include meticulously cleaning the nest chambers. They also feed the queen, ensuring her health and productivity. Protecting the precious eggs and larvae is another vital role, and tirelessly expanding the colony's intricate network of tunnels. From this point on, the queen will never leave the nest. She becomes the undisputed heart of the entire colony. Her singular most important job is to lay eggs, sometimes thousands, every single day, ensuring the colony's future. The underground city. Ant nests are not simple holes. They are complex underground cities, with chambers designed for specific purposes, nurseries for larvae, storage rooms for food, special chambers for the queen. Some species even build ventilation systems. Air flows in, carbon dioxide flows out. A natural engineering system, built without blueprints. In some cases, colonies can contain millions of ants. A living, breathing superorganism. Ants don't speak, but they communicate constantly, using chemicals called pheromones. When a worker finds food, it leaves a chemical trail behind. Other ants detect it and follow the exact same path. The more ants follow, the stronger the trail becomes. This system is so efficient, they can find the shortest path to food sources, sometimes better than human-designed algorithms. Without mercy. The world of ants is not peaceful. It is full of conflict. When two colonies meet, war begins. Soldier ants use powerful jaws. Some spray acid. Others explode their own bodies to defend the colony. Yes, some ants sacrifice themselves. Entire armies clash. Thousands die, all for territory, food, and survival. Even more disturbing, some species practice slavery. They invade other colonies, kidnap their larvae, and force them to work as slaves. Farmers of the underground. Some ants are farmers. Leafcutter ants, for example, collect leaves, not to eat them, but to grow fungus. They chew the leaves, create a perfect environment, and cultivate fungus as their main food source. This is agriculture, and ants have been doing it for over 50 million years, long before humans. Some ants are also herders. They farm insects like aphids. Aphids produce a sweet liquid called honeydew. Ants protect them from predators, and in return they harvest this liquid. It's a mutual relationship, very similar to humans and livestock. Strength beyond imagination. Ants can lift objects many times their own weight. If humans had this ability, we could lift cars. Why are ants so strong? Because of their size. At small scales, muscle strength is proportionally greater. Physics works differently in their world. The collective mind. An individual ant is not intelligent, but together, they form something extraordinary, a collective intelligence. No leader, no central control, yet perfect coordination. They function like a single organism. This phenomenon is called a superorganism. Lifespan of ants. Not all ants live the same life. Worker ants usually live a few weeks to several months. Soldiers may live slightly longer, but the queen is a different story. Some queens can live for 10 to 15 years, and in rare cases, even longer. This makes them one of the longest living insects on Earth. Their longevity is crucial, because the entire colony depends on them. If the queen dies, in some species the colony collapses. In others, a new queen takes her place and the cycle continues. Diseases and threats. Even in such advanced societies, ants are not invincible. They face many threats, fungal infections. One of the most terrifying is a fungus known as Ophiocordyceps unilateralis. This fungus infects an ant's body and slowly takes control of its mind. The infected ant leaves its colony, climbs to a high place, and locks its jaws onto a leaf. Then it dies. The fungus grows out of its body and releases spores to infect others. It turns ants into zombies. Bacteria and viruses. Ant colonies are incredibly crowded. This density makes disease spread much easier. Bacteria and viruses can infect entire colonies rapidly. However, ants possess remarkable defenses against these microbial threats. They meticulously clean each other, a crucial first line of defense for the colony. They also efficiently remove infected individuals from the colony to prevent further spread, and they even isolate sick members, creating a quarantine zone within their nest. Furthermore, some ants produce natural antibiotics, a powerful chemical defense. This collective effort is a sophisticated form of social immunity, protecting the entire group. Beyond microbes, ant colonies also face threats from various parasites. Some parasites invade ant bodies, living and developing inside their hosts. Others attach externally, clinging to the ants' bodies and feeding on them. These parasites significantly weaken ants, draining their vital energy and resources. And in some cases, they even manipulate ant behavior, turning them into unwitting hosts. The fall of a colony. Every colony has an end. When the queen dies, or resources run out, the system begins to fail, workers stop reproducing, the population declines, and eventually, the colony disappears. But not entirely, because before the end, new queens are born. They fly, they land, and they start again. So next time you see an ant, don't ignore it. You are looking at a member of a vast, highly organized, ancient civilization, a hidden empire, right beneath your feet.